It's slime time with Justin.
Cailyn.
Okay, so here's the deal. Getting along with boys is so easy. Like, the 3 boys, I got that all day long. You see me, basketball, trampoline, skateboarding, whatever. I'll say that it's certainly been a challenge developing a relationship with Cailyn. We get along really well. Like, there's no doubt, like we get along really well, but there's definitely a little bit I'm getting used to having a daughter-like figure in my life. And it's been interesting. It's been fun, but it's been a totally different ball game than the boys. Not just from your stereotypical like boys to girls type activities, but just even from stuff even down to like an emotional level. Alex, Gabriel, Camden, I mean, they fall, skin their knees, and they come crying. It's like 2 seconds later, just a pat on the back, say things will be fine, no big deal. You know, Cailyn, she's a lot like Lindley. She's very emotional, and so there's stuff that gets to her, and there's definitely been times where, you know, I'll be talking to her about something, and all of a sudden I can see like some waterworks about to happen. I'm thinking, I'm freaking out inside. Like, I don't want to say that I'm freaking out. And Cailyn, if you're watching this, I'm kidding. I'm not really freaking out. To the viewers, I am freaking out. Like, I'm really freaking out. And she looks very sad, very glassy-eyed. All of a sudden, struggling to like what to do. Like, I don't know how to handle it. 100%, one of the biggest struggles I have is I want to step in and kind of fix a situation. What we can do to make it better. And I guess I've learned that it's not so much about trying to fix it or repair it or even have any ideas for that. It's just listening. And so I've tried to do a much better job of just being an ear, really listening and doing what I can to kind of help them through those moments. So from that standpoint to, yes, there's no doubt. There is definitely a lot more, there's a lot more talking. The boys, you know, the boys definitely want to talk about their day, but it's very like, wouldn't it be cool if we jumped out of an airplane and landed into a Lamborghini and then drove it to the mall? That kind of conversation, which is great. I like dreaming big, and those conversations are easy. But with Cailyn, it's definitely a little bit more in depth. Especially she's 13, so she's getting all like the stuff that happens in middle school and junior high. That kind of like teeny stuff is definitely tough. I remember it. Conversations are a little bit more real, but it's definitely been fun. Right now the kids are about to get home from school, and Cailyn wants to show me how she makes slime. I'm looking forward to it. Luckily, I happen to know a few things about making slime.
No, you don't.
I've made so much slime in my life.
Don't lie to the viewers.
That I'm gonna finally teach you how to make slime properly.
Stop lying to the viewers.
It's slime time with Justin
Cailyn.
Bravo.
So it's Cailyn, not with him.
You ready for me to take over this whole slimy operation? Text JB to slime222.
That's not even a thing. Guys, don't do it. If he's lying, he doesn't actually have anywhere for you to do that. Look at it. See, you're so mean. The actual title, Slime Time with Cailyn. Can I do it for once?
You think people are going to be happy with my slime making skills?
You mean happy with my slime making skills? It's gonna be sticky. What are you doing?
I don't like it. It's slime time with Justin.
Cailyn.
Oh, it won't come off my hands.
I told you it wasn't.
You said it was done.
No, I didn't.
This is like really stuck. It's. Oh, I don't like it. I just made the most fantastic batch of slime ever.
No, you didn't.
Cailyn had nothing to do with it.
He's lying.
And it was clearly all me.
No, it wasn't.
And she tried to help out for a little bit, but it was like when you have a little kid trying to help you bake something, and she kind of tries to help out.
I am the baker.
But it
You're
really
not
just
a
makes
baker.
it worse.
I'm the slime baker and just a baker in general.
So, it came out really, really good thanks to me.
No,
I'd
thanks
say
to me.
you.
Thanks to the
Some would
only
say.
one who made it.
Some would say I saved the day.
You
Again.
don't even know how to make it. How did I make it?
That's the end of this transmission.